Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a Motorola Moto G60S. First step, need to find and open your settings. Then need to scroll down and find security option. Then on the bottom we got SIM card lock blocking. Block of this information, sorry. Need to choose your SIM card for unblocking. I got only one SIM card, so click it. And here we got switcher for lock SIM card. To turn off this option, you click here, and then need to enter your PIN from SIM card to unlock, and click OK. And that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.